Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about Pinterest strategies. So if you don't know what Pinterest is a social media platform, but slightly with a difference. It's a bit more like Google. It is a fantastic place to try and drive traffic to your blog. Another awesome thing about Pinterest is the lifetime of the content. So people can have pins that can keep driving traffic to their websites for years, not just say a day. Pinterest algorithms have changed over time. So if you go searching for, say, the best scheduling for Pinterest, say what is the best content, or say what are the best SEO strategies, all these can sort of change. There are some paid courses out there and I'm sure they're very good. I haven't taken them myself, but I actually found one that was free and I'm actually really impressed with it. So it doesn't necessarily have all the information you need to do Pinterest marketing really successfully, but for a starting point, I think it's absolutely fantastic. So I will leave a link down below so you can go check that out for yourself. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe as it will really help out my channel.